Hi viewers, welcome back to Excel Buzz. In this video, we'll be talking about mid function in Excel. The mid function is used to extract any data or any number of characters from a string between the first and last letter. Now the mid function syntax is equal to mid, and within the parenthesis you have to give the text and then write the start num from where you want to extract, and also write the number of characters that you want to extract. We want to find out the month that has highest number of orders. So we want to know the count of how many months have been repeated here. So for that we need to extract the month from the order date, and to do this we'll be using mid function, as the date is in the middle of the text string, and combine it with search function. And why we need to combine it with search function, which is the inner formula, let's understand by doing it. So here we have this month number 01 after the first hyphen. So we need to find out the position of the first hyphen and count from the character after the first hyphen. So let's find out where the first hyphen is using search formula is equal to search, and then give the hyphen in double quotation marks, and then give the reference text and add +1. And why we are going to add +1, I'll tell you shortly. So we got 4. So if we are not adding +1, we'll be having 3, right? So the hyphen is at 3, but we want to count from 0, not from the hyphen. So we want to count from 0. So after the hyphen you want to count, so you will add +1 here, and then so from 4. So this 4 will be your start number. So now you're going to include this formula to get this 4. And how many characters you have to extract? The 2 characters, which is 0, 1. So now the first one is done here. Now let's do the second one. So is equal to mid. Now take the reference cell, and then for the start num give the search formula, and then within the double quotation marks give the hyphen, and then take the relative cell and close the parenthesis and put +1. So this is going to give you the start num, which is 4. And then how many number of characters you need to remove, which is 2 for the months, right? Because month is in 2 digits. So what we can do here is we have to give a parenthesis at the end, and let's press enter. So we got the month numbers. Now let's copy down the formula here. So the highest number, we are having 7. So this month, which is July, has the highest number of orders. So this way you can use it in data cleaning and data extraction. Mid function can also be used in other practical use cases, which we'll talk in the later video. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video.